If you try to synchronize multiple clips in Premiere, you'll see that the Synchronize option is grayed out. To fix this, you need to place every single clip in different tracks, and then it will allow you to synchronize them to your audio. However, this can be very tedious if you have a lot of clips that you want synchronized. So what you can do is just select the clips that you want synchronized in your media bin, right-click and select Create Multi-Camera Sequence. Select Audio as the sync point here, and the sequence will appear in your media bin. Right-click and select Open in Timeline. And what do you know? We have everything synchronized and perfectly ready to edit. This is a great option for some small projects, and I actually use it from time to time. But to be honest, I don't really like this method because it's kind of a workaround. You don't really use the multi-camera sequence as intended, and you still need to adjust every layer to organize your sequence. Also, I noticed if you have multiple channels in one audio recording, it can sometimes mess things up a little. So what I like to use instead is actually an external program that synchronizes your audio and video. It's called PluralEyes, and it's freaking magic. Also, it's free if you know where to look for it. How it works is you just drag everything in that you want synchronized, let it analyze for a couple of seconds, and then click Synchronize. Next, click Export. You can now select what you want to do with unsynchronized clips if there are any. I'll select to place them at the end of the sequence, and then export the XML file. Now you can import that file to Premiere, and it will import a fully synchronized and organized sequence. I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and bye!